Hey, hey. All right, I've been thinking outside the box again, which seems to be what I do best because a lot of people just seem to like following each other. Hey, I'm Bjorn Olsen from OFM.com and the Empire Forums, owner of the OnlyFans Empire, an OnlyFans management agency managing girls in the top 1% from all over the world completely remotely, hence different hotel rooms and pets and all my different videos. Check us out at yourofempire.com or at yourofempire on all major social media platforms. But for now, let's get back to the video. So imagine this, you've set up a dating app farm and you're wanting to funnel all the subs somewhere so you can make money off them. Isn't that the main issue we're facing? Isn't that the main challenge we're trying to do? So imagine this. You've got a Twitter, okay? Bear with me. So you write something in your bio like, you can find me here with Daddy Elon, because everyone knows what's going on. He's all over the news. And then you just write yours truly, okay? So imagine this. You have this in the bio. Let's copy and paste that because the same emoji that's on iPhones and Android isn't available here, but you get the point. So it's a bluebird. Or if the bluebird's not even available, this is more like what it would look like in the bio, it'd be something like that. Actually, you wouldn't even have that. So you'd find this in the Tinder or Bumble bio, okay? You'd have a bluebird. If you can't do the bluebird, if the apps start detecting birds, because you can imagine by now they're already detecting camera and ghost emojis because Tinder and Bumble know what we're up to. They're detecting Instagram and Snapchat usernames. So they're detecting the associated emojis people try and use. So we have to try and think different. This is what I do best. Now, I'm pretty sure they're probably not detecting birds right now because Twitter isn't really on their radars. Hasn't really been used as a funnel before. Well, it might have been, but it's not one that's spoken about. So if the bluebird's detected, use another bird. Or you could probably even get away without a bird. As soon as you mention Elon, people know what's going on. Or you could even give a little hints. Tweet, tweet, twit. You can find me on here with Daddy Elon. You can find me here with Daddy Elon. Twit, tweet, whatever. And just remember, do not use the at because the apps are all over it. Since they detect the apps, the alarm bells in the centers go bing, 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 bing. Yeah, okay, they don't, but they detect you, all right? So here's what we do. So imagine this, you put this in your dating app bio, the apps go, let's add her. As usual, you don't reply to them because then they go, how else can I contact her? Oh, Daddy Elon. Oh, that's Twitter. Oh, yours truly. Oh, she's on Twitter. Then they'll answer that in Twitter. Here's what they find. They go to Twitter. They see a nice page. This is Megan Fox, an example. They see a cool page, got some tweets and stuff like that. That's cool. No worries at all. It's just got normal life stuff, normal life. But then, wait, bam, you're making money off it. So let's go over this. So first of all, they're introducing like a articles feature. So picture Reddit stories. You know how some people, well, this is what we do as part of our safe for work strategy, free game. You write safe for work? Well, no, NSFW stories on Reddit. When you leave a lot to the imagination and you don't show pictures, sometimes that drives guys wild. So imagine being able to do this on Twitter. Well, no, you can. They're introducing a feature where you can look, he even says you can write a book if you want. All right. So now you go back to, now you've got this. But then there's a section where you can read like stories. Wow, that's pretty cool. Hang on, it gets better. Okay, where are we? Where's my little image thing? Is that it? Must be it. No, it's not. Now, no, I'm going to show you this later. Now, I'm going to show you that later too. They're also, Twitter have also started sharing revenue with creators for any type of content at all. If you post a tweet, if you write the letter A and people engage with it, they're going to pay for it because they're starting to share revenue with any ads that are shown in any of your tweets. So any ads that are shown in the comments on any of your tweets, they're sharing that revenue with you. So you could write a dot. And if it's generating enough engagement that they're showing ads in your comments and users are seeing the ads, you're going to get a piece of that pie. But hang on, but OnlyFans does it better. You can make a lot more money with subscriptions and all that. I haven't finished yet. So now we go back. This little page where I follow Elon as well. I follow all of them. The new CEO, Linda Yaccarino, whatever her name is. I'm following this closely. That's why I keep preaching about it. And this is another page I follow, Twitter Daily News. Now check this out. Notice that subscribe button? Oh, notice this, subscriptions? Oh, it's starting to look a lot like, yeah. OnlyFans, isn't it? Isn't it? So check this out. Subs. What's that reminding you of? So now imagine this. You are funneling all of these simps, all of the matches from dating apps to Twitter, which is going undetected. They're going to your Twitter. They're seeing your normal life. Oh wow, she's gorgeous. Oh fuck. Oh wow, she's drinking a drink coaster with Boba Fett. That's pretty cool. Oh yeah, awesome. She's got other content too. She's got she shows on her other content. Oh, it's pretty juicy. So imagine if you saw Megan and then she had like little tweets saying more to see in my subscriber section. You would be like, yeah, okay, I'll do it. Sounding like another platform. Then you go subscribe. Money. Sounding a bit like another platform. Now it gets better. On Reddit how you can use subreddits. And a strategy one can use is creating a subreddit for the model and then capturing all the simps in there. So you're posting to Reddit, and when all the simps are DMing you on Reddit, so I just had a little, I don't know, little dust or something. It was a little fairy or something, a little Tinkerbell. Um, on Reddit, so one strategy might be to post a lot on Reddit, and when you get interest, when you get guys messaging on Reddit, you funnel them to a subreddit. It's kind of like catching fish in a net. You just blast your OF in the subreddit. Good funnel. Well, imagine having that on the same platform that you can sell content, on the same platform where you can post your everyday life, and on the same platform where you can funnel matches from dating apps to without being detected. That would be pretty cool if it existed, wouldn't it? Well, hang on. See this? Communities? This is like a subreddit. So you can create a community. You can create all the content you want in there. You can have people that want to follow it, see what's going on. And now they've just added a feature where you can spotlight it. You can post it right at the top of your Twitter for people to see. So imagine this. You have people that you've matched with on dating apps, and they go, oh, okay, she's not replying. You can find me Daddy Elon Blue. Oh, it's Twitter. Oh, cool. Okay, let's follow. Yeah, let's go to Twitter. Go to Twitter. She's got the subscribe. She's got a community. She's got all these tweets going on. You can even post videos, just normal day-to-day stuff. And then she's got this hidden section for subscribers only. Now, it's missing one thing. No PPVs, because most of the revenue, if you're doing it correctly, comes from PPVs and OnlyFans. If only Twitter had PPV. Now, can't find the article here somewhere. I'm not going to bore you by scrolling down, but I've spoken about it in another video, and mark my words, it is coming. Twitter coins, a currency where users can tip other users for any reason at all. You can go on a tweet and go, I like that tweet. Let's give it 20 coins. Oh, that's a hot video. Let's give it 20 coins in the DMs. Oh, wow, I really like what you did. That's cool. Oh, here's 20 coins to help you out. Whatever reason, no, that's shitty. But what do you get the point? You get the point. Live stream, 20 coins. Yeah? So all these different revenue streams. Now remember what I said at the beginning. You can even make money just by posting tweets, just by posting normal life. So imagine if you had an Instagram and you were using that Instagram to funnel to OnlyFans, but you were getting another revenue stream from the Instagram where you were just posting willy-nilly content just to get people interested. You're just posting whatever content on Instagram, just get people interested. Imagine if that was a revenue stream as well. Well, now it is all on the same platform. Now, the thing is, people haven't quite flicked on to this yet. It's still very new. It's going to take a little while for people to get used to it. But I tell you what, if you match with guys and they find your content or your model's pictures attractive enough to want to message her and you don't reply and they want to see more, they will go wherever you lead them. So if you lead them to a Twitter, perhaps they don't use Twitter because under 1 billion people use it. It's not as popular as the others yet. But I'll tell you what, they'll create a Twitter to see you. They'll create a Twitter to go and see your model there. And when they go on there, they'll be welcomed with a whole range of new features and a whole new way to interact and pay. a person like you or your model. So while it might not be yet, mark my words, I think this will be the OnlyFans 2.0. An alternative may not be a replacement, and I suspect it may replace YouTube one day because the features are rolling out by the day, and all I see is just OnlyFans features, and all I'm thinking about are ways that you can monetize content, that girls can monetize their content, that we can monetize our models' content. All I see is ways to make money outside of OnlyFans. And so, as I've preached about in other videos, it is clear to me more than ever that this is going to be a viable thing for models, for girls if you're watching. So if you haven't set up on Twitter yet, I would get on there and I would start setting up, even if you have no followers, even if you don't know how to get followers, I would start setting up a presence on there at least. Because the good thing about Twitter that you can't do on OnlyFans is you can get organic reach. So whenever you tweet, just put hashtags in the comments, like Instagram, then you get some organic reach. You obviously can't do that on OnlyFans, otherwise it'll be a lot easier. So just start. I would get started now. I'd start setting up on there. And then if you're cheeky enough and you like to think outside the box like we do, and it has proven to be very successful for us, I would think about using this as a funnel. We haven't started using it yet. I literally thought of this today, and I was like, okay, I want to tell everyone. Because that's what I do. Some people have scarcity mindset. Yeah, no. If you have scarcity mindset, you just got to work hard and be more innovative like this. So yeah, look, how can it not work? You find me here with Daddy Elon. Oh, it's Bluebird, yours truly. They go to Twitter. Oh, wow. Oh, she's got a subscriber. Oh, she's got other content. Oh, she's got a community. Oh, how can that not work? So that's it. Now, look, before I go, I know, I know, I know. I feel it too. I feel it too. I know. Oh, whoa. How can you look at that? Look at that. Yeah, but $200 a month though. I went on it early and it said to unlock all the features was $200 a month. No worries. Go buy a $500 PDF. Go buy a $3,000 chatting course. Hang on, I've got a chatting course. Check this out. Boom. Fucking scripts for days. Getting added to weekly. Oh, but fine. Go spend $3,000 because it's better. Go spend $3,000 on a TikTok course. Oh, hang on. We cover TikTok. Hang on. Boom. And you come to me on the day of my daughter's wedding and you say to me, $200 is too expensive. No worries at all. Keep packing boxes, my friend. I'm trying to give you the juice here. And as they say on the Matrix, I can only show you the door. You're the one that has to go through it, right? This is the door. Okay? I'll see you there.